everybody. It is Wednesday. I am so excited to be continuing working with you guys on human impact on the environment. Again, I've had such phenomenal questions being emailed to me, and I can't wait to dig deep, and I'll be responding to the students. So feel free to reach out if there's something that you've seen or you're not quite sure what it is, or it makes you think about something else that you may have read or seen on YouTube or whatever. Please reach out and let me know. For today, a lot of things going on today on this Wednesday. It is National Crouton Day. For those that did not know, it is actually also National Apple Pie Day. And for those that want to be a little bit more nature sensitive, it is National Frog Jumping Day. So take your pick out of which one of those you want to celebrate or think about today, but that is just something a little bit extra to think about once we hit this midpoint of the week already. All right, so for today, you are going to be actually doing a lab called the Carbon Footprint Lab. You're going to fill out the results on page 4 in your ClassKick and make sure that you have that Edpuzzle done. Now, there is a YouTube video that I have posted that is me kind of walking you through the lab. It explains the different parts to it and how to do that. But I'm going to kind of go through that with you now. But feel free to watch me on YouTube. All right, so basically you're going to be given a Google Slides, and from there you're going to be writing down answers to the various stations on like a Post-it note or some scrap piece of paper that you have. One's going to be electricity, water, plastic usage, transportation, diet, and waste. These are all things that are connected to what is considered your carbon footprint on Earth. For each of those questions you get, I'll show you on the screen, they're going to have 3 questions. And whether you answer A, B, or C, they're going to coordinate with points. You're going to tally up your points. Now, in your ClassKick on page 4, so you do have to toggle a little bit, but it'll be okay. Everything you need is actually already linked in on your ClassKick page. So hopefully that will be a little bit more of a guidance for you. You're going to actually color in the toes. So like, let's say, for example, for station 1, you got 6 points total. You would actually color in those toes a yellow color. 7 to 9 would give you that red range, just like our key tells us. And if you earned 3 to 4 points, you would color that green. You're going to continually do that all the way down through the foot. There's 6 stations, so by the end, you should have that completely filled in. Awesome. As to double check with you guys, make sure you do that Edpuzzle that is called What You Need to Know. I've had a ton of students already turn it in. I would say probably more than half of my classes. I have about 152 students this year, so the fact that half of you already completed it is awesome. For those, don't worry, you've got today and tonight and even tomorrow morning to catch up if you want to make sure you get all the points that you can for that assignment. All right, so my quote from today comes from the incomparable Robin Williams. He was a comedian. He was the voice of the genie from Aladdin and was known to be this very remarkable comedian, very funny man. He used to say, no matter what people tell you, words and ideas can change the world. So while you may be seeing or reading or hearing something, know that what you say, what you're thinking, those are the kinds of things that can be a driving force for change in the future, which is what, we're always hoping for a good future, a good start on, when everything gets wrapped up with this. You guys are the future. I know you've heard it before. I'm sure you're rolling your eyes and you're like, I know we get it, but you really are. Actions, words, and thoughts have a ton of power, and that lies within you guys. So, just deep thinking today. So please email me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Again, the partner groups are listed on Tuesday. So if you want to double check and make sure you're in the right group or grouping, or if you want to work by yourself and change your mind, email me. Know that I'm always here for you, and I will see you again tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. You, after today, are already halfway through your week this week. So keep it up, guys.